Just imagine your brain as a smartphone with a very low battery, slowly shutting down all the required functions. That's what happens when you consistently neglect your sleep. We all know sleep is very important for us. But have you ever wondered what happens when we don't get enough of it? It can do a lot more than just make you feel tired. It can actually affect your body and mind in ways you might not even expect. Studies show that just after one night of sleep deprivation, our brain functions drop significantly. Memory, attention, and decision making ability are all compromised. Tasks that require focus become much harder and reaction times slow down. It's not just your brain that suffers. Your feelings can also take a hit when you don't get enough sleep. You might find yourself getting irritated easily, feeling moody, or getting stressed out more often. When you're tired, your brain has a harder time controlling your emotions, so even little things can upset you. But what happens when this goes on for 4 to 5 days? Getting only 3 to 4 hours of sleep each night. The effects become much more serious. Your body enters a state of high stress. Studies have shown that not getting enough sleep for a long time can increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. When we sleep, our bodies repair themselves. If we don't sleep enough, our heart and blood vessels have to work harder. It can also mess up your metabolism. It makes your body produce more ghrelin, a hormone that makes you feel hungry, making you crave for unhealthy, high calorie foods. At the same time, it reduces leptin, a hormone that tells you when you're full. This imbalance can lead to overeating and weight gain. In fact, chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to a higher risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. But the effects of sleep deprivation don't stop there. If you are active or athletic, you might notice a drop in your performance. Sleep is essential for muscle recovery, energy restoration, and overall physical performance. Without enough sleep, your strength, endurance, and coordination take a major hit. Now, imagine living like this for weeks, months, or even years. For people with chronic insomnia, the effects extend far beyond tiredness. The long term effects of chronic sleep deprivation are alarming. And of course, sleep deprivation shows up on your skin. When you don't sleep enough, your body produces more stress hormones like cortisol. These hormones break down collagen, leading to skin damage, wrinkles, and an overall dull appearance. Over time, your skin's ability to repair itself weakens, making you look older faster. But the most shocking effect is how sleep deprivation can mess with your mind. After prolonged lack of sleep, people can experience hallucinations, paranoia, and even delusions. This is how critical sleep is for brain function. Without it, your mind's ability can start to decline in frightening ways. So, how do we combat these shocking effects? It all starts with prioritizing sleep. To prioritize sleep, the first step is to make it a part of your routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Stay away from staying up too late or sleeping in on weekends to catch up. This disrupts your sleep cycle. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out light. Light exposure before bedtime can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. A cool and comfortable room promotes better sleep. Try using earplugs to drown out disruptive sounds. Your bed should be supportive and comfortable to encourage restful sleep. Avoid using electronic devices such as phones, computers, or TVs for at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed. The blue light emitted by screens interferes with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. If you must use devices late at night, consider investing in blue light blocking glasses. Engage in relaxing activities like reading a book or taking a warm bath. Avoid stimulating activities that can heighten stress or anxiety before bed. Try incorporating deep breathing exercises or mindful meditation to calm your mind. Try to have your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Eating too close to bedtime can cause indigestion or disrupt your sleep due to body's need to digest food. Foods that are difficult to digest can cause discomfort and interfere with sleep quality. Opt for a light dinner rich in proteins, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid caffeine for at least 6 hours before bed. Caffeine is a stimulant that can stay in your system for hours, making it harder to fall asleep. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, but try to limit your fluid intake an hour or two before bed. This helps prevent waking up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom. Sometimes life gets in the way and you may need to skip a night of sleep. While this isn't ideal, here are strategies to help mitigate the effects. If you can, take a 20 to 30 minute nap the next day. Naps can boost alertness and cognitive function without making you feel groggy. Avoid long naps as they can interfere with your ability to sleep the next night. Exposure to sunlight in the morning helps reset your internal clock. Spend some time outside to boost energy levels and adjust your sleep wake cycle. Drink water to stay hydrated and avoid caffeine or sugary drinks that may disrupt your sleep later. Water will help your body recover faster. Stick to nutrient rich meals, including complex carbs, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid heavy or greasy foods that can make you feel lethargic. Focus on getting extra rest the following night. Don't rely on caffeine or other artificial ways to stay awake long term. Prioritizing sleep is not just about creating the right environment, it's about making sleep a regular part of your daily routine. Your health, productivity, and overall well being depend on it. Thank you for watching our video and please subscribe to our channel to get more health related updates.